Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala states in the Holy Quran, وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. And certainly we shall test you with something of fear, hunger, loss of property, lives and agricultural products, but give glad tidings to those who are as-sabirun, the patients. These Quranic verse manifests that our life in this dunya is a test. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will test us with several means to reveal that who will be thankful and who will be ungrateful to Him. Tests and trials are the part of our life. Everyone will be tested in certain extent in this dunya, ya akhi. Our wealth is a test. Spouse is a test. Children are tests. Poverty and wealth are tests. Likewise, health and illness are tests. We all are tested in everything we possess in this dunya, and this will be continuing. This will be continuing up until our death, up until we leave this dunya. And interestingly, dear brothers and sisters, these tests are not always in the form of hardships and difficulties. Sometimes Allah tests us with blessings and bounties. Allahu Akbar. A test, yes, a test in the form of an apparent blessing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tests some people with huge wealth, and He sees how does He deal with this wealth. He tests some people with huge popularity, with name and fame. He tests people with success and power. So it's not necessary that it should be hardship. It can be a blessing. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He wants to see how we deal with this blessing. And our tests are not identical, dear brothers and sisters. I mean, it's not similar. Everyone's test is different. My test is different than yours. Your test is different than him. Everyone has a different test in our lifetime, different question paper. One doesn't match the other. So dear brothers and sisters, we have to know, what am I being tested for? Then we have to respond properly, respond accordingly.